Hello, my name is Adriana, and today we will demonstrate the de-winterization of an adiabatic cooling unit before the summer season. This is an adiabatic cooling unit after winter shutdown. Before starting the unit for the summer season, it is necessary to perform de-winterization, which includes inspection, cleaning, and preparation of the equipment for operation. The goal is to ensure proper water flow, unrestricted airflow, and flawless operation of all moving parts. After opening the unit, we perform a visual inspection of the internal space. We check the basin, water distribution system, and any deposits from the previous season. Next, we proceed with thorough cleaning of the internal parts using pressurized water. This removes dust, dirt, and buildup that could affect the unit's performance. The next step is manual cleaning of the internal parts. Surfaces are carefully wiped with a cloth to remove fine dirt and remaining deposits. Special attention is given to the basin and accessible internal surfaces where dust and mineral deposits may have accumulated during winter. An important part of maintenance is cleaning the cooling pads, which provide the actual cooling effect. The cooling pads are rinsed with running water, and in case of heavy contamination, a medium stiff brush may be used. If limescale is present in the system, it is recommended to use mild natural agents such as baking soda or vinegar. After cleaning, the unit is refilled with water and a test startup is performed. The correct operation of the pump, uniform wetting of the cooling pads, and proper water level regulation via the float valve are checked. At the same time, the operation of the fan, noise levels, and any vibrations are verified. Properly performed de-winterization reduces the risk of failures during the season, extends the service life of the unit, and ensures maximum cooling performance during summer operation. If you have any questions or require service, please do not hesitate to contact us.